Mayman Aerospace, part of the UAE EDGE Group /SDF, has achieved a major milestone with a successful flight testing of the RAZOR P100. This cutting-edge VTOL platform is set to revolutionize both military and civilian aviation. The RAZOR P100 is capable of carrying a 100-pound payload over a range of 240 miles, opening up new possibilities for contested cargo delivery, target drone missions, disaster recovery, and offshore energy servicing. What makes the RAZOR P100 stand out is its integration of advanced AI, allowing for precise autonomous operations in complex environments. With speeds up to Mach 0.75 and a compact design, the RAZOR P100 can take off and land in tight spaces, requiring no specialized equipment or prepared surfaces. Its modular design ensures easy maintenance and high operational reliability in various scenarios. This milestone also highlights the UAE's growing defense industry, with Mayman Aerospace playing a key role in the country's push for self-reliance in military production. Since the creation of EDGE Group in 2019, the UAE has consolidated its defense capabilities, including advanced weapon systems, UAVs, and naval manufacturing. The UAE's military strategy has increasingly focused on unmanned systems like drones for intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, and precision strike operations. The country has sourced UAVs from global suppliers, including China's Wing Long and Turkey's Bayraktar TB2, enhancing its military operations in regions like Yemen and Libya. As the RAZOR P100 prepares to enter the field, it marks a significant leap in the UAE's aerospace capabilities. With its versatility and advanced features, it is poised to reshape both military and civilian aviation, paving the way for a new era in aerospace technology.